All right, so momentum is one of the most powerful forces for personal growth. The problem is most people kill it the second it starts. So I want to drive this point home in today's video because I just finished something. I had the idea. I literally implemented my own 24-hour rule that I talked about in video 2 of the high agency series, or was it video 1? Yeah, video 1 of the high agency series. Got it done, and I feel so pumped up. I feel so excited to have completed something that was literally just an idea, and now I brought it to fruition. And of course, as always, I reflect on my own journey, and I put it into these videos because I know I'm not the only one either experiencing this, or I can use it as a teaching moment to help anyone in a phase of having an idea and sitting on the idea and not executing on it. First off, I feel so freaking amped up right now. Like, I feel pumped. I feel excited. Like, when you do something you said you was gonna do, like, no one can take that away from you. Like, you just feel it in every ounce of your body. I'm not on coffee right now. I don't have any external, well, maybe I do from earlier today, but I'm but I'm excited, naturally excited, because momentum is one of the greatest feelings, and the only way you get momentum is if you do something. But the kicker is, once you get momentum, you got to keep the ball rolling. If you think about like a snowball, yes, when you get that first nice round snowball that you can knock somebody's head off with, but you're trying to make a snowman, you're not just, or you're trying to build an igloo. How about that? You can't just stay with that small circle. You got to keep building. Snow has to keep getting added on to it. So I don't want you to wait for motivation anymore. I don't want you to start something and then be so high off the momentum that you're like trying to ride that on. I want you to build. I want to build. And so I'm going to bring you along as I do it. And I hopefully can be a good guide, because when you have accomplished something and it's in your past, some people may feel like they can't resonate with you. It's like, you've been, successful. You've done this years ago. I can't relate to you. But when I tell you my stuff be happening like right then and there, right then and there, right here and now, that's where I am. Literally just 1 or 2 steps ahead of you. If you're a procrastinator, if you are an overthinker, if you are afraid of putting the effort that you need to live out your dream life, then make sure you subscribe, because my name is SYBJ, and on my channel we talk about mindset mastery, transformation, and you getting more fulfillment out of this life. So if you're interested in building a rich life on purpose, be sure to subscribe. Okay, so first I want to go into the psychology, but I want to go into like the mindset that you need, the action you need to take to continue building momentum. But let me tell you exactly what I did. All right, so about, I'm not gonna say it was 24 hours. I feel like it was like 32 hours. Nonetheless, we you get the point. Act quickly. So I had the idea that I wanted to create a free league magnet so that I can help more people, because after having actual conversations with some of my newsletter subscribers that I know, or have met, and literally in the last week or so, week and a half, I've spoken to 4 or 5 different newsletter subscribers. They are also subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I've been getting this common theme, and I wanted to create something because when people see my 100-day challenge, for one, it's extremely intimidating. If you've never started something before, if you've only let yourself down in the past, or you are afraid of truly unlocking your true potential, then when you see 100-day challenge, you automatically like, heck no, I'm not about to do that. I'm not about to even consider doing a 100-day challenge. And I've been preaching from the rooftop for the last 48, 49 videos of how important it is. I've been talking about how to use my 100-day challenge, the habit architecture system that I created, to be the anchor in your transformation, in your ascension to your goals, your dream life, getting more fulfillment out of this life. However, that 100 days, which I love because it's nice and round, but to most people is intimidating, even for myself. And the reason I felt like it was relatable from my perspective is because, one, I shared how I failed that same challenge 4 times before my 5th time, which was successful. My own challenge. This wasn't something I downloaded from someone else. This was, I want to do something for 100 days, and I was trying to do it for literally 2.5 years, failing back to back, life to be allowing life to literally get between me and my dreams, my goals. Were they valid excuses? Absolutely. But yeah, I'm talking about actual real excuses that anyone would say. I understand. But the higher version of you requires you to no longer negotiate with the actions you need to take on a day-to-day basis to get that reality into your present moment. So these conversations, I've realized people love what I'm saying, but it's very aspirational. But for the person much in the who hasn't had a small win or any type of win in the last decade, it seems 100 days seems like out of this world. It seems astronomical. It seems like I'm not even gonna check it out. So I listen to the people that I've spoken to, literally YouTube subscribers, newsletter subscribers, people that I know or have met, and then they have since subscribed to my newsletter, YouTube. First off, thank you so much for the support and the feedback. And two, I listen and I don't judge. I rather hear what you have to say and put myself in your shoes than to say, well, you should be like me. First off, that's very pompous, and that would be like not a good leader, right? Someone who thinks they know. Like, I want to see where your vantage point is. And so I did. As a result of the last week and a half, literally having conversations with, I think it was 5 different people, I created the Start Before You're Ready Challenge. Okay, so the Start Before You're Ready Challenge is a 7-day challenge created specifically with you in mind. I'm talking to my overthinkers, my procrastinators, the fearful, the excuse-driven. I'm speaking directly to you. This is the perfect challenge. You literally only have to dedicate 1 week to one goal. I guide you through it, and it's free. So be sure to check the description, the link in the description, and the link in the pinned comment. I want to get this out there. When you sign up, you'll get it instantly. You'll also be subscribed to my weekly newsletter, so you'll dive right into the community. I want to build trust. I want us to build this. I want to answer your questions without you even having a conversation with me. And so it really requires, as a leader, as a guide, as someone looking to help others, well, I have, but as someone looking to continue helping others lead the life of their dream, to literally master their minds, transform, and to build a life rich on purpose. I'm talking about mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. I have to be ears to the ground. I have to be cognizant of where you are. So I'm so excited when I tell you, creating this workbook, knowing that it's going to help a lot of people, knowing that it's the perfect head starter for you to get that first win that you've been looking for. Who cares if it's March? Who cares if it's day 76 of 2026? Your dreams still matter. Your goals are still important. You should still be pursuing them. I don't care what day you're watching this video. I want you to know that what you're after wants you just as much as you want it. You just have to take the action. So anyways, I created the workbook, and it's not some long drawn out collegiate syllabus thesis and all that, but it's very much so doable. And it's reflective. It requires you to take action. It requires you to be reflective. It requires you to be honest with yourself at the same time. It is a challenge because you need to upgrade. If you want easy peasy lemon squeezy, then this challenge isn't for you. If you want to improve your life at least 1% closer to your goal, then this is the challenge for you. So on the flip side of that, I created the challenge for you, but me creating it, I'm amped because I had the idea and executed immediately. So momentum. 2, I know it's going to help other people. I know it's going to prepare and nurture your mind for the things that you're after. And when you create momentum from just starting before you're ready, then you're going to feel so elated. You're going to feel a sense of I can't even think of the chemical. What is it called? You're gonna feel adrenaline. You're gonna be energized. You're going to feel confident in other areas of your life. You have to pay attention to your energy field. You have to pay attention to how you feel when you get that small win. That's why reflecting, journaling, even if you have to do a video journal. I have one. I have one subscriber, okay, it's my dad, but he likes to do audio journals. Whatever you need that works for you, just do it. You know, everything doesn't have to be predicated on, I'm going to follow this person to the T. Whatever you need to do to get the action going, get the action going, okay? Whatever is necessary. If it's putting a deadline on how much time you have to execute, I want you to do that. So, momentum. But when you get started with that small win, I don't want you to stop at 7 days and be like, oh, I did it. I want you to keep going. I want you to continue building your snowball into a snowman, into an igloo, into a whole neighborhood in what's it called? In Greenland. Why is Iceland called Iceland when it's just Greenland, and then Greenland is called Greenland when it's ice? Like, I'm going to look that up, because another thing, I like to know, like, why? Also a dream destination, but nonetheless, so a dream destination because one, I want to see the Aurora Borealis. I want to go to some of the active volcanoes, and I want to go to the hot springs, and also I want to talk to the people, because I feel like they're like the Alaska of Europe. Like, how, like, do we really talk to people in Alaska? Like, if you're from Alaska, what's up? Like, what's going on up there? Like, I feel like Iceland is the Alaska of Europe. Okay, super random thought. I digress. All right, so once you get your win, you finish the 7 days, I don't want you to relax too long. I want you to, actually, I think on day 7, I prepare you for the next 7 days. And if you're ready, I want you to go ahead and enter the 100-day ecosystem, the 100-day challenge that I've already created, because I don't want the momentum to die. I want your progress to be I want your time to be worthwhile. I want you to see for yourself that what you're doing is worthy. You are worthy. You're valuable. You don't have to do anything to be valuable. You just being here, you having the life force coming you, oxygen every day, is the only indicator of how important and valuable you are to this world. Not where you came from, not who talked down on you, not where you haven't gone, even though you dreamed of. None of that matters. You being you is what matters. It's important. I like to say, hey, if there's 8 billion people in this world, there are 8 billion worlds. We're all connected. Each one is just as important as the next. So, in this challenge also, no excuses, no quitting. If you skip a day, you have to start back over, because there has to be some type of boundary, because if you've never done something or you haven't executed in a period of time, you need to have certain strict boundaries, because you're good at excuses. The reason you're here wanting to get something, wanting to achieve something, is because, baby, I know I'm here with you. Your excuses are legit. Real good. You know how to get out of a write-up at work. You know how to, like, you're not new to this. You're true to this. But that's the old you. That's the old habit that kept you mediocre. That's the old habit. Yeah, it got you out of sticky situations, but it also, at the same time, double-edged sword, has held you back from the new, okay, the upgrade, the progress. So this is the rule. When you get a win, you immediately stack another action. So say, for instance, you do the 7-day challenge, and on day 3, your win came through. You can continue with day 4 through 7, but also I want you to keep going. Your wins don't have to be huge. It just has to keep the snowball rolling. That's the important part. Momentum plus momentum multiplied by momentum. All right, so when you finish the workbook, whatever your goal is, I have examples in there for health. I have examples in there for business and work as one. I have examples in there for mental clarity and or life cleanup as another. So there are examples to guide you, because I feel like those are the 3 main areas that people are struggling with. And when you're focused on a goal, I always say do the lowest hanging fruit that has little to no cost for you to begin. I don't want you to have such a huge barrier that you're going to need. For example, if you want to start a business, but you want to have a physical location, but you need, $500,000 in cash, you have to show, you have to have these huge things. Not saying you're not a baller shot caller, but for the average person, that would be a huge barrier to overcome before you even start your own business. If you want to just have a physical location business, you can probably start with something mobile, or you can start with something digital. You know what I mean? Like, you don't have to jump right to the big dogs, because even the big dogs borrow money from bigger dogs, because physical location business and physical product business costs money. Okay, as someone who's lost over $7 grand from a physical product business, $7 grand that I did not have to lose, but it was the lesson that got me here today. So I can just warn you. Am I saying don't do it? If you got it, flaunt it. I know you want it, but I'm just saying, for the average, for the common, okay, let's move on. So I want to tie this to my bigger mission. Currently, I'm building a business. I want to say a body, but the body, internally and externally, and a life that gives me and my family freedom in every area: financial, location, time, freedom. And I don't have time to lose momentum every week. So it's like a catch-22, because I'm like, you have all the time in the world, but you also don't have all the time in the world. So it's like, I'm not rushing, but if I build wins on a day-by-day basis, an hour-by-hour basis, or a week-by-week basis, I'm getting 1% better. That's what I want for you. Whatever it is you're after, if you want to live in another country, if you just want financial freedom, if you want to purchase or get a farm so you can have your own animals and be self-sufficient, like, there is no hierarchy on goals. Everyone wants different things. I feel like the main common denominator most people want is peace. So some people think billions of dollars will bring them peace. Some people think that a nice restaurant, family-owned restaurant on the beach will bring them peace. However, why the measurement goes, whatever it is, it's valid and it's important. Just because it doesn't look like someone else's, just because it doesn't, yield to fame. Everyone does not desire fame. Everyone does not desire billions. Most people want peace, love, joy, happiness, and to experience life to the fullest that they can in their unique way. So that's what I'm here to be a part of. I want to be a part of it, of your journey, just as much as you are of mine. You give me the energy I need to continue creating these videos. I'm devoted to this challenge of leading people to truly transforming their life, to truly mastering their mind, to truly maximizing out on their human potential, so that they can get more fulfillment out of this life. So I want you to celebrate your wins. I'm not saying don't celebrate them. I just don't want this celebration to make the next step less important. Celebrate, stack more. Celebrate, stack, because we do have this one life. We don't even know why we're here, but we're blessed and want to feel blessed to be here. So I want you to definitely celebrate, but I want you to stack more so you can have more celebrations. You see how it goes? That's the whole point. That's the whole premise of all of this. So if you are interested in building a rich life on purpose, I'm talking about mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially, be sure to subscribe. And if you're ready to jump into a challenge that's going to get you that win that you so deeply crave, please be sure to click the link in the description and or the pinned comment. You will receive the 7-day challenge called Start Before You're Ready. You will also be subscribed to my weekly newsletter and so much more. In the meantime, in between time, girl, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. What are you doing? I am here for you. If you have already, I truly appreciate it. And if you haven't, click that button. It's just a little tap. It's just a little tap. Help me to grow. Again, I truly appreciate it. My name is Espivy J, and I really hope you have a beautiful day. Peace. Oh, peace.
You're beautiful. I hope you know that. I hope you know that.
Girl, you're beautiful. Y'all like my song? My uncle put the music to that song. Yeah. Family building over here. My daughter is my manager. My mom and my dad are my number one fans. My husband gives me the insight that I need on the business part. My son makes sure I don't talk too long. He's like the director. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a whole family. Like, we doing it together. And guess what? I'm inputting on their dreams just as much as they are on me. It's momentum. We're building off of one another. That's the whole purpose of freedom in every which way. So get you some. Also, not ashy. Not ashy. You can be anything in this world except ashy, dehydrated. So get you some lotion, drink you some water, and have a wonderful day. Peace.